Hi, I am healer Vijayanand from Priya Vijay Aku Center. So we have launched a course called auricular therapy. So what is auricular therapy means? To energize the internal organ by activating the pressure points in the ear. That is by means of auricular press seed or auricular press needle. This therapy has high results because ear is near to the brain and all the points are very effective to solve the disorder. And another important point is this therapy is practiced all over the world, and this therapy has specific points like raise BP point, reduce BP point, ascites point, epilepsy point, fever point, and Shenman. All these points are more specific to the problems. So if you see the auricular press points, we can see lot of points in the ear. But what we have done, that is the whole points are divided. That is the whole ear is divided into 13 morphology, and each morphology has maximum of 10 to 15 points. In some morphology, the points will be more than 6 points also. So it is very easy to memorize to all the points. So in the same way, each and every morphology is specific to a problem. That is, for example, one morphology called helix, which is the outside of the ear, that is the boundary of the ear, which mainly prevents the body from the outside infection. So to reduce the fever, it's simply enough if you massage that helix portion alone. So like that, each and every morphology has the own function. That is, some morphology is related to urinary system, one morphology to digestive system, fertilization, backbone, and headache also. There will be some specific lines formed in the earlobe. So each and every lines has its own reason for the formation. So if there is any problem in the brain or problem in the teeth or problem in the circulation system and our pulse, that type of lines will form. So in this we will be studying the formation of the lines in detail. So in this session we explain the anatomy and physiology of various systems, which mainly helps to understand the problem caused in that organ. Then we teach the protocol, that is auricular protocol formation in 3 easy steps, which is more useful to do the therapy. And also we provide 50 plus sample protocols, which will give a good idea in formation of the protocol. We provide a CTDS, that is a central government approved certificate, and a ID card on the completion of this course. So at the end of the course, you can be a full auricular therapist and you can practice the therapy. This therapy is also suitable for the individuals. They can know the specific points and they can solve the problem of their own by doing auricular massage in the that is a respective morphology. So by this way, this course is suitable for both the therapist and also for the individual to solve the problem. So I request everyone to join this course and get benefited. Thank you.